Hi everyone, I am Samya from card.Christmas. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am gonna share with you how to make this beautiful Christmas card. So let's get started. To make this, I am taking a circle shaped glitter paper and folding like this. Now I am sticking the glitter papers like this. By following these steps, I made another one with a brown glitter paper and sticking on a red paper like this. Now I'm writing here Merry Christmas and drawing some snowflakes on it. And it's ready. And you can write any message or any quotes inside of the card. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you, so please give us a big thumbs up. How was the video? Comment below. And please subscribe the channel. It means a lot for us. No more today. Thanks for watching.